Today I'm going to take you on a tour of my laundry, craft, sewing, place of business, mudroom, and all around family dumping ground in my home. And it's pretty spectacular. It sounds like it's going to be a disaster, but I promise you it's not, because everything is all tucked away within some closet organizers provided by Imagine the Room. This is my seamstressing side of the room, and I needed it to look neat and tidy for when I have clients in here, but I also needed it to be very functional when I needed to get to work. So everything is in behind cupboards, which I absolutely love. Everything is in little organizing containers. I love to label things so that I know exactly what I'm reaching for. Most of the bins that I get are from Costco, Walmart, or Winners. And the labeler is also from Walmart and any office supply store. So I know exactly what I'm reaching for. All of this is sewing supplies. These two drawers under here house just household budgeting things, and office supplies under here. And like I said, I love it because it's all behind closed doors, but yet everything is just a pull of a drawer and I'm ready to get to work with whatever I'm doing. Over on this side, this large cabinet houses the shoes, so it keeps them behind closed doors. I have my serger, my sewing machine, our photocopy machine, so any of the supplies that I need for my sewing are behind any of those cabinets, and it looks very tidy and professional most of the time. But that was really important to me. Running a small business out of my home is to have it still functional and look professional when people come by, but still easy for me to grab things out of cupboards. This is the laundry side of the room, and there was a few things that were absolute must for me. One of them was to have a folding station, and so they built the custom cabinets for my washer and dryer to fit in, which I love because you won't get that anywhere else. And countertop for on top so I can do all my folding on there. The other thing I wanted was a place to hang things to dry, which they put a hanging bar above, which is so handy, and I use it all the time. And we also didn't waste any space. Those upper cabinets there are just used for kind of seasonal quilts and stuff, and beach blankets and stuff that I don't have to get up very often. So that was really nice. Over here, I asked for a really tall cabinet to house tables. And that skinny cabinet, believe it or not, houses some collapsible tables that were just purchased from Costco. So I love that because sometimes we have bigger crowds here for meals. So I've got a bigger one and a smaller one, and it also holds my ironing board. I've just put some command clips on the back side of the door that houses a lot of our keys. And then there is a little extra space up the top where we just have some odds and ends stored. So that was a real plus, getting that in here too.